So we're back with another live trading video. It is Friday the 29th of December 2017. I just realized it's Friday, so volume will be a bit low at this time of day. But we're going to try a trade anyway. Unfortunately, I didn't get filled here at 90 and a half. I've had 91 on the books, which is the close of this reversal candle here, and had it from when this deep red Maruboso, however you say that, deep red negation candle of this candle, let's zoom in. When this candle that I'm hovering over completed, I put the order for 91 here. It didn't get me. 90 and a half. Targets would be 75 and 65. And it hasn't failed me. So that's a shame, as we would now be 8 ticks in favor for 4 ticks risk, so 2 are in favor, but I'm going to leave it there for now. I also had another idea for a short at 10, but I had the 2 contracts on, and as we're in an FTP, we can't have more than 2 contracts on. Otherwise, I would have definitely put an order on for 10 short here on the Australian dollar, looking for 2 ticks under this low here, or 798 for 12 ticks risk for 5 ticks of risk. 12 ticks reward, excuse me, for 5 ticks of risk is what we'd be looking for there. 810 to 798, and as you can see, that's on its way at the moment. And then finally, and probably Sod's law will mean that this will stop me out, I have still got one on here on CL. It's not looking quite as great right now after these candles that have formed here, but I'm still looking for a short here from 38 down to 19 ticks for 5 ticks of risk, or 3.8 R on that one is what I'd be looking for. And that's it really. It's a damn shame about 6C, because it's this time of day, Central European time, the evening in Central European time, I'm in Italy, is typically a time when this moves around the Canadian. I'm not sure why, probably something to do with geopolitics, however you say that, geopolitics, or time zones and stuff. But for whatever reason, 6C whips around and makes nice moves way into the Central European time evening. So I'll stop yabbering on for now, see what I want to do with CL, because I can see that's approaching the entry, and we'll see how it goes. Pausing for now. So we did get that fill on CL, as you can see. Remember, this candle hadn't formed yet, so we anticipated this candle based on prior price action. And now, if you did get a solid red close on this bar that we're currently in, this current 5-minute bar, that would be a screaming opportunity to add on your way to your target here. This is a bit of a conservative target because A, it's Friday, B, it's the week, it's a day between Christmas and New Year's, and C, we've already put in a good range for the day. The last day was about 50-ish ticks, 50-ish cents. Day before, 36 to 96-ish, so that's 60-50 as well, 50-60 cents. This is a bit of an outlier day, so all said and done, we've made the day's range already, which means that we could retrace bigger from here. But as I said, it's Friday, a day between Christmas and New Year's, so I'm going to go conservative. I'm not going to add, and I'm not going to look for a bigger target. So it's 19, all in, all out, obviously, because it's the one contract, and we'll see how that goes. But in just a few seconds, less shy of 2 minutes, if this bar finishes nice, deep and red, anywhere there, 32, preferably 30, 29 would be wonderful, because it would be under this HSR. That would be great for downside. 6C is a bit of a bitch, to be honest, excuse my French, but half a tick away from getting filled at 91, we'd be up $100. $95 on the ask for $40 risk gross of commissions, which is not bad already. As you see there, it switched over to ask 81, so you'd have had 10 for 4, or 2.5 to 1 reward to risk. I can't see how I would be willing to give that back now, so I'm going to go ahead and cancel this order, because I would most definitely be locking in 2 to 1 in the next. I'll wait one more minute. If this finishes red like that, then I'll cancel the order, because I would have trailed to 83.5 for what is that, for 7.5 ticks for 4 risk, or 1.87.5 to 1, 1.875 to 1, yeah. So in 30 seconds I'll cancel that order if it finishes red, regardless, because even if it finishes with a reversal, I would just look to trail that. And 6A I didn't get into because I still got this one on for 6C, but again 810 has gone 5 for 5 in favor, but I'm gonna forego that for now. CL, this is the change. The bar has just changed. That's okay, given the volume is a bit of exhaustion volume, but I expect that to continue. If I were going to add, I would look to add like 29, 27, but I'm not going to. So pausing for now. Just to keep the running commentary going, I would have taken this off, not taken off, trailed to 83.5, as I said, for 1.875 to 1, and be holding for the 975, which looks like it's working fine. But my stop would be at 8. I would have trailed it to 83.5, so I can't leave that one up there anymore at 91. I have put on an order for 6A because now I have a contract free. Put it on at 810, looking for 79812 for 5 risk. And CL is cooking, currently up 10 ticks on the ask for 5 ticks risk. And I'm gonna shut up and pause the thing so that I can concentrate, because this is the part where I've already got 2 to 1, just about 1.8 now, and this is where I need to start making my decisions according to my plan. So pausing for now. Okay, that's a good close, so I can hold a bit longer. I will preserve a bit of the video, I think, this time, rather than let it go on. Well, let's see, I'll go quiet and see if I speed up the video for the exit. Looking over at 6A, we have no fill there. And 6C, as I said, we would still be in that. You could have exited there at 81, I'd still be in. Going radio silent for now. So that's a bit of an ugly candle to finish, but it's still on, the trade's still on. You could have booked your 2R there, according to the rule set, which is flexible. I'm looking for the next test, so we'll see what happens down there. if indeed it does get down there. 6A, I've still got that on the order on. It's getting a little late now, coming up to 8 p.m. here, Central European time. 6C, still be steaming away. Just a shame it didn't pull back a bit more. I've said that enough already. So now we're just going to focus on CL, I think. So we'll see how this goes. Pausing for now. So that one got stopped, unfortunately, when 120 for $50 risk in favor. Coulda, shoulda, woulda at 28. I didn't, and we got taken out at 43 after getting a good entry on a good mass favorable excursion. So that's that. Still on what will be the last trade, if it does get there, is 6A. We could potentially look at 6C again, as it's put this wick in here, and it is only 8 past 8, so we could try 91 there, but that feels a little bit like chasing and revenge trading, so may well leave that. So I will pause the video for now, and as it's getting a bit long, come back with the end result. Pausing for now. Okay, so let's recap what we did here. There's some good news and there's some terrible news. So we shorted here 810, 3 ticks into the 5 tick stop, got out at 801 for 1.8 R, fair enough. 6B we didn't trade. 6C, this was part of the bad news. I flipped, I tried to go long, revenge trade against this trade, lost. The original trade got to the target and then some, as you can see. CL, short here, as we know, went 2.4 in favor. Of course, I regret not opting to take the 2R there, but that was the decision I made. Stopped for an R. But here's the end result. $11 fall down, so less than I made yesterday, but kind of scratch trading between yesterday and today. Could have obviously not lost 53.68 on CL and made another 100 essentially on top of, no, not 100, 150. 50 lost, 100 gain, so a net difference of 150. I would have been up 138 and some change today, but down. Fair enough, but here is the big problem, massive problem. Top step trader needs you to be out of your trades by 10 past 10 here in Central European. I'm 39 seconds too late. I know they'll probably penalize me for that. I'm hoping they won't. I'll let you guys know in the comments or in another video, but it looks like if they are going to be fussy and stick to the exact rules, then this FTP is over. So with that bad news, I'm just going to throw this video out there raw. Can't be bothered with all that other stuff, thumbnail and stuff, and I will be back. Next video will be, I'm not going to record the first day of the funded account or the second or the third, quite frankly. Going to settle in, probably I'll do an update video maybe a week into the funded account, a week or 2 or 3, we'll see. So that's it for now, back at it then.